Hello, this is another edition of my YouTube channel. You are welcome to my channel. Remember that I will excel, the mathematics teacher. Today we are on a new edition, which we have been planning for a long time. We have setting for the foundations, the addition and subtraction of a fraction. Thank you for being in here today. I appreciate my esteemed parents that bring children close to my channel, and I appreciate those of you that share my channel. I thank you very much. Today is that great day we are going to start our addition and subtraction of a fraction. This sum is mostly important for grade 4 to 6. Even though you have been so far in the mathematics spectrum, you must always find my channel very challenging and interesting because of the style I use. The style I use, nobody that dread mathematics will ever run away from it. It's a jolly style. So I want you to watch and see what makes the difference in the conventional teaching. Thank you very much and be very attentive. Okay. I told you in our earlier lesson that we have different types of fraction. We have like fraction, we have unlike fraction. The one up here is like fraction when the denominators are the same. And their additions are very different. In the like fraction, their additions are very simple. That's why I want to bring it out here for you to just see it before I go into the unlike fraction. So in the like fraction, you add the numerator. What did I say? You add the numerator while the denominator remains the same. As I usually say, the denominator remains the same. The denominator doesn't change. So 2 plus 3 will give us 5, and the denominator remains the same. Simple. That's the answer. Look at this one. 5 plus this will give you 11, and the denominator remains the same. When you look at this place, you begin to see that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Anytime you solve maths in your work, make sure that you don't leave the answer like that. If you get a result in your mathematics solving that the numerator is bigger than the denominator, you must change it to mixed fraction. Okay. I want to change it to mixed fraction. 11 divided by 9 will give you 1. Remainder what? 9, 10, 11. Remainder 2. You see? The answer is going to be 1 whole number 2 over the denominator remains the same. Gives you 9. 1 whole number 2 over 9. Look at this one that is carrying whole number. It is also simple. You just add up the whole numbers. 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 will give you 3. And the denominator 2 will give us 5. So we have 5 whole number 3 over 5. That's the answer. You see, when we are adding like fractions, it's very simple. But look at what we are going to go in when we get into unlike fraction. When we get into unlike fraction, the very first thing that will come to your mind in unlike fraction is LCM. You find the LCM of the denominators. You find the LCM of the denominators, okay? Like we have 5, 5, 10. You check always when you are factorizing the very first number, as I told you there, you start with 2. You start with 2. So I start with 2. 2 can go, give me 5. 3 cannot go, 4 cannot go, but 5 can go. I have 5, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM is 2 times 5, that is 10. The LCM is what? 10. Okay. Look at this LCM is 10. And look at the number is having whole numbers. So you say 3 plus 2 will give me a whole number of 5. You see, you write 5 here. Not up at the middle. Okay? So this denominator, this LCM is 10. Eh? Divide by this denominator, which is 5, times 2. That is the first one. Plus this LCM divide by 5 times 1 plus 10 divide by this 10 times 3. You see? Watch this. You bring down your whole number again. 10 divide 5 will give me 2 times 2. Okay? Yes. 10 divide, the LCM is still here. 10 divide 5 again will give me 2 times 1 plus 10 divide itself will give me 1 times 3. Okay, this is the second stage. You bring down the whole number again. Okay, you see, 2 times 2 will give me 4. 2 times 1 will give me 2. 1 times 3 will give me 3. And you add up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 over the denominator remains the same. 9 over 10. Don't forget the whole number. 5 whole number. 5 whole number. 9 over 10. You see? You now have answer as 5 whole number 9 over 10. You will not do anything on it. So let's look at the second one. What is the LCM? You find it yourself. 2, 2, 6, 2, 1, 3. 2 can no longer go. So I check 3. 3, 1, 1, 1. Okay? So 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 will give us 12. So the LCM is here 12. The LCM is here 12. There is no whole number. So there's nothing I'll write in the beginning. There is no whole number. Okay, so I say 12 divided by 3 times 2 plus 12 divided by 4 times 1 plus 12 divided by itself times 5. Okay, watch it very well. 12 divided by 3 will give me 4 times 2 plus 12 divided by this will give me 3 times 1 plus 12 divided by itself will give me 1 times 5. 4 times 2 will give me 8 plus 3 times 1 will give me 3 plus 1 times 5 will give me what? 5. And I see 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 over 12. 16 over 12. You see, the numerator is now also bigger than the denominator. You don't leave it like that. You don't leave it like that. What do you say? You say, how many 12 can I get in 16? I will have one whole number 4 over 12. Can you say it? I have one whole number 4 over 12. When you get your answer like this, you see that the numerator can divide the denominator. So you can still go further to say one whole number, 4 divide itself, 1 divide this will give you 3. 1 over 3. You see the answer is one whole number, 1 over 3. That is where we come to the first section of our addition of a fraction. We will still study the ones that will give us whole number, because when you solve this addition of fractions, sometimes you get to the answer where you don't know what to do. And when you get at that point, you see, you will know what to do when you watch my channel very well. Like what I did here. Maybe in the answer of the examination, you might not see one whole number 4 over 12. What you'll be seeing there is one whole number 1 over 3. So when you get to this type of thing, you have to reduce it to its lowest term so that you get the correct answer. As you can see now, we have like fraction and unlike fraction. You do it step by step, not just doing it, this divide this times this, that this, you write. No. Do it in a way that even when somebody that is not there comes in, the person will begin to know through the blackboard summary what you have been doing. And that makes it very simple. Addition of fraction. Thank you very much for watching. That brings us to the end of this our lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my video. And make sure you are here in our next lesson because I'm going to show you more secrets on addition and subtraction of a fraction before we go over to real subtraction of a fraction. Thank you very much. Thank you. Remain blessed. Thank you very much. I appreciate